In this video, I'm going to show you different ways to create folders on your MacBook. To start with the most common method, simply right-click or tap with two fingers on your trackpad on any empty space on your desktop or within a Finder window. Next, select New Folder. A new folder will appear with the default name Untitled Folder. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also go to the File menu in the top menu bar and select New Folder. If you're someone who likes using keyboard shortcuts to save time, just press Command-Shift-N. A new folder will be created instantly in your current location. Once created, the folder will be ready for renaming. Just type in your desired name and press the Return key to confirm. If you want to rename it later, just select the folder and press Return again. One smart feature on macOS that I want to highlight is creating a folder from existing files. Let's say you have several photos on your desktop. Just highlight all of them, right-click, and select New Folder with Selection. The system will automatically group all those files into a single new folder. For deeper organization, you can create subfolders by simply dragging and dropping one folder into another. This helps keep your data structure clear and hierarchical. If you want quick access to folders you use frequently, drag that folder into the sidebar on the left side of your Finder window. This allows you to open your data with just one click from anywhere. When you no longer need it there, just drag it out of the sidebar or right-click and select Remove from Sidebar. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.